again with another series of pottery with the Autosati Trader. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so that you get notified when I post new content in the channel. I just wanna do a brief commentary of pottery to those who have been following me consistently. They know what is happening here. You all know what is happening here. I can see some people registering great progress to those who have been sending me screenshot on Telegram, applying the same concept on their training. I'm happy to have contributed in your trading career positively. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. As you all know that we have accumulation phase during the Asian session where institutions are accumulating, orders. We don't trade this session. We don't trade this session. On this session, we are sleeping or we are doing other things. Either we are reading, or we are just exercising, but we do not trade this particular session. So, the market will open, and as when it open, there will be a manipulation to the upside during the London session. There is a manipulation to the upside. We want to take our trade above the opening price, anywhere above the opening price. That's where we want to take our trade. So during the manipulation, price is seeking something on the upside. It is either going to the previous daily high or an area of an order block. In this regard, price was targeting this rejection order block. These are some of the concepts which ICT teaches, but I've never touched these concepts of different types of order block and so forth. Yeah, but we have a rejection order block here. So as you can see, price, when it reaches the rejection order block, that's where institutions are taking their trades. We want to take trades together with institutions. That's where we also want to take our trade, right here. You can see the pin bar. A pin bar actually is the first confirmation. It's either a pin bar or an engulfing candle. Those are very powerful entry signal. If you see that happening, it's just a signal to show you what it is happening around that rejection order block or around that previous daily high. So or even around the fair value gap. Yeah, so that's what is happening. And then from there is a move. Now the move commences. As you can see, I took my trade after I've seen this this confirmation and just executed my trade above the opening price. This area is ideal. When price is going up, you don't have to see that as a weakness. No, you don't have to see it. You don't have to see that as a strength that is bullish. No, you don't have to see it like that. You have a bias in mind. You stick with your bias and you are looking to see this. You're looking to see this. And you have now price entering into an expansion phase. This expansion phase, it is steadily and firm because institutions are inside here. This is where institutions, once they are in, they are going to protect their positions. I'm busy trading this trade. Trying to lock profit as when the trade is moving on the anticipated direction. But there are news now, so I will try to scale out one of the position here because they are key fundamental news that are coming up in 15 minutes time. So I don't know how market is going to react on those particular news. So but yeah, this is an expansion phase. The expansion phase is so here, it moves steadily, slow. Sometimes there can be quick moves, but it is a firm move because institutions are driving. As you can see the move, how it moves, this is to show you that smart money is in here. you know Institutions, they are inside. They're inside. There are people who are having a different view about my style of trading. It doesn't matter your opinion and your views. It doesn't really concern me. You understand me? What the thing that you cannot question the outcomes of the strategy. You cannot question the play out of the strategy. No matter how you can chant and laugh as much as you want, this you cannot discount it because it happens time and again, and we have a record of us doing this thing time and again. You can question it, but you cannot question the outcome. You cannot question price when price begin to unfold, and it begin to do what we told you, what we anticipated. That you cannot that you cannot question at all, because it is what it is. It is what it is. We told you that price, it is engineered. It is engineered to do something. Price, it is engineered to move in a particular direction. There is nothing that is random with these markets. There's nothing that is random with this market. You know, you can be wrong with your bias, but it doesn't mean that the markets are random. If you are wrong with your bias, it doesn't mean that the markets are random. Yes, accept the fact that at times you will be wrong. You need to really accept that fact that there are times where you know you're gonna you're gonna be wrong in terms of your bias and your anticipations. So this is pottery. It's evident, accumulation, manipulation, and expansion to the downside. You see, expansion to the downside. So yeah, and then after the expansion, late New York or anytime when they move, um, it's when institutions are done, there will be a distribution. They will distribute their orders. Yeah, we don't care where they are going to distribute. We don't even want to know. Ours, we're targeting just 20 pips below the previous daily low. you know we don't know how further it will go. Of course, it might go further. Like as you see, I was only targeting this area here, but price went further down. So you can have instances where price expand further, but you are not concerned about that. What you are concerned about is to capture the move while it's still on manipulation phase and ride the expansion range. That's what you want to ride. That's what you want to get. That's what you want to get. If you are going to capture maybe this move 3 times in a week, it's okay. It's okay for you. 3 or 2, even 4 trades in a week, it's okay. But it's what you are looking for. You are looking for this move, and it is happening in a particular time. There's a time where you anticipate to see these things unfolding, and you have your London kill zone, you have your New York kill zone. That's where you want to anticipate to see these types of things that I'm talking about unfolding. That's where you want to anticipate these things unfolding. So evident pottery with the automatic trader, it's happening, and it's so real and so evident. Just took out some of the trades here as I was anticipating, when the New York session normally it does pull back to go for the London highs. So I was really anticipating a rally that will take out maybe this high here, but there was no rally. So as I told you that the New York session, it also there is another leg that establishes on the New York session a further move of expansion to the downside. A further move of expansion to the downside. My draw on liquidity is actually this liquidity void here. And this liquidity void is my draw on liquidity. It's my draw on liquidity. If price come to to fill up this liquidity void here, it would have been a great move. It would have been a great move for me, because I'm really anticipating for price to come in. I don't know if it's gonna come here. I'm just gonna keep trading my position and and checking really what is happening. So just gonna keep trading the position. So this is part 3: accumulation, manipulation, and expansion. I wish you the best in your trading career. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. See you again on another series. Signing out.